Hello miners! We have some exciting news to share with you all. A new bot mining opportunity is set to conclude on the 30th of this month, so don't miss out. You can find all the important links in the first comment below. This is a fantastic chance for you to earn coins. You have several days left to collect as many as you can, with new coins available every 3 hours. In addition to the regular mining, there are various tasks that you can complete to earn free coins. So why wait? Start now and take full advantage of this opportunity. The distribution of coins will happen in just a few days, and we have high hopes for this project. Given the current low period in the mining landscape, the price of these coins is expected to rise significantly. We are thrilled to announce that there will be over $100,000 to distribute among miners during this airdrop, an incredible incentive to get involved. Don't forget to check out our airdrop calendar for all the upcoming drops. Season 1, 100,000 USDT available for grabs, September 30th. Season 2, second drop coming up, October 31st. Season 3, third drop scheduled, November 30th. Season 4, exciting listing drop, December 24th. Stay tuned for more updates and information as we move forward. There's so much happening. Let's gear up for some productive mining sessions and earn for free. Additionally, we have compiled a list of all mining coins that are being released this month. Good luck to everyone and happy mining!